Welcome to our step-by-step guide on assembling a small 4-tier indoor greenhouse. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this compact greenhouse is perfect for nurturing your plants year-round, right in the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll walk you through the assembly process, from unpacking the components to putting the finishing touches on your greenhouse. So let's get started. To help us bring you more videos like this, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here's the greenhouse I'll be assembling. It's a 4-foot or 1.3 meter tall, bond, 4-tier indoor greenhouse. You can buy it at most Lowe's or Rona stores. These are the parts that come with it. The instructions are easy to follow, and putting it together is as easy as it gets. You should be done in less than 5 minutes. Just snap the pieces together, according to the instructions, and you're done. Your plants can now be shielded from pests and diseases, and be provided optimal growing conditions, including temperature, humidity, and light levels. Its space-efficient design makes it ideal for small living spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.